Hi guys, Mumbai University pre-admission forms have started and I can see a lot of students are panicking because they are not able to register the form. So I'm going to show you that how you can register the form successfully, and if it is not happening, what you can do about it. So if you can see, we have started filling the form. One of the students' form we are filling up, wherein if I do an accept, you get the notification or this message wherein they ask you everything, that what you will need: valid email, date of birth, pan card, Aadhaar card, everything. And then after reading that properly, you have to submit, agree and then register. See, this is what is the most of the students are getting the error. 80% of the students are getting this kind of message, so do not panic. As I said, do not panic because ये मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी है और यहाँ पे ये होते रहने वाला है. You have to try, I don't know, 50 times, 100 times. I'm just joking, maybe 5-10 times more. And if it is not happening today, try tomorrow, day after tomorrow. ये प्री रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म है, एडमिशन फॉर्म प्रॉपरली अभी आने वाला है. सो देयर वाज वन स्टूडेंट, आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू जलन. ही वाज एबल टू डू दिस रजिस्ट्रेशन सक्सेसफुली. जैसे मैंने बताया 80% लोगों का नहीं हुआ है, बट 20% students still manage. So if you see on my screen, I'll put the screenshot which he shared because he successfully was able to upload the form. So as you see in the screenshot, the personal detail you have, then once you fill up that, you get on the next slide which you just scroll down, you will get your date of birth, everything. That detail fill करने के बाद your Aadhaar number and stuff like that. So if अगर वो register complete हो जाता है, then you will get this, like wherein you have to enter your Aadhaar number. And also you will get whether place of birth, your marital status, everything. आधार कार्ड का नंबर भरने के बाद you will get all the details like your location, area, your pin code, your address, everything. Then this comes in where you have to attach your certificate, diploma, post graduation, किसके लिए आप कर रहे हो. और if obviously you will be filling up for SSC and HSC का जो आपको भरना है, because you are applying for the UG program, most of you. If you are applying for PG program which is post graduate, then you have to attach your certificate and diploma too. The slide you see now जिस पे लिखा हुआ है your reservation, so जिस भी reservation category से आप belong करते हो वो आपको डालना है, और आपका economic class, and obviously अगर there is any specially able details आपके पास है तो वो. उसके बाद आपको आ जाएगा आपका फ़ोटो. ना फ़ोटो जब भी आप अपलोड करोगे तो वो क्रॉप करने में थोड़ी दिक्कत आएगी, सो बी पेशेंट विद इट, रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शन केयरफुली. उसके बाद वो फ़ोटो आप अटैच कर देना, एंड देन योर डिजिटल सिग्नेचर. डिजिटल सिग्नेचर का भी ऑप्शन वहाँ पे आपको प्रॉपर मिल जाएगा, एंड देन यू क्लिक ऑन प्रोसीड. Once you complete all these details, you will get the final this thing wherein you will have to have your proper email ID. Guys, please don't make any mistake while doing this, and your password and your phone number. These 3 things are really important for re-login because यही आपको admission के time पे काम आएगा. Alternate email भी डाल दो in case of anything. Then you do save and proceed as you can see. After that, yes, as Lokesh को message आया है, welcome, you will get this, and after that all your details is done. And then the last thing you get, congratulations, you are done. As I said, welcome. And after that, schedule for application will be announced soon. As I said, this is a pre-application form. After that, as soon as it is announced, you will get the notification on your email as well, and then you will receive an SMS after completing that whole process. Okay, let me highlight one more thing. With Mumbai University specifically, there is an issue that when you are entering, initially जो आपने first slide पे देखा, you have your parents' name in the regional language, whichever regional language you select. If you're selecting Hindi, you have to go to the Google Translator, copy that in Hindi and then paste it there. Don't write it in English. आपका form processing में problem दे सकता है. So make sure if you have selected your regional language as Marathi, go to the Google Translator, write your dad's name in Marathi, जो भी regional language के bracket में है, and then paste it. This will successfully happen. Hope you have understood the whole detail. Make sure that you read it carefully. Be patient while filling the form. Do not rush. और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, 80% को एरर आ रहा है, सो चिल. 1 हफ्ते लगेंगे, आपको रोज़ 10 बार ट्राई करना होगा, मे बी मोर देन दैट ऑल्सो, बट जस्ट डू नॉट पैनिक. इट्स अ वेबसाइट इशू, नॉट योर इशू. एंड सेकेंडली, यू कैन retry as many times you want to, unless and until you get an SMS or an OTP and your confirmed password and the message which we showed you in the screenshots. So this was the step-by-step process to fill your pre-admission form. Stay tuned for the whole admission process. We're going to show you that as well as soon as it comes out and give you update on the Instagram and the community post. For that you have to subscribe and yes, follow us on Instagram to get all these updates as in when it comes. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.